Hello students, let us continue with the second part. We were discussing the necklace. In previous part, we discussed about the story. We were discussing about the story of Methelid. We have seen that how Methelid got the invitation and she wanted to go to the party, but she was not means she did not want to go to the party for a reason. What was that reason? The reason was she did not have good dress, and she demanded for a good dress to her husband. Finally, her husband also agreed to give her money to buy a new dress. But later, her another concern was there, and what was that concern? It was about the necklace or the jewel. But anyway, she managed that jewel also from one of her friend. What was the name of that friend? The name of that friend was Mrs. Loisel. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Froister. Mrs. Loisel was Methelid herself. So Mrs. Froister. So she managed that. And how was that jewel? Jewel was very much expensive, isn't it? But anyway, still her friend gave that jewel or borrowed that jewel to Methelid. Methelid wore that in the party, and we know how was the party. Party was very nice, and in that party, Methelid was the only girl who was the center, or we can say that she was the center of attraction of the party because she was looking prettier than other women, and she enjoyed the party. She enjoyed the party than anybody else. We can say from that one word or one word. What was that? One sentence. What was that sentence? That the party began in the evening, and they left from the party at 4 o'clock in the morning. Means for that time she was enjoying, she was dancing, and whatever enjoyment was there. So she was doing all that things. But finally, what happened? She lost that jewel, and that was a thing of worry for the husband, because now husband has to pay for that, or he will have to pay for that necklace, and that necklace was very expensive, which was not possible for the husband to pay. Okay. So there we were, and let us see in today's part. I am on page number 22. I'm going to start second part now. Okay. So they looked in the folds of her dress, in the folds of her cloak, in her pocket, everywhere, but they did not find it. Are you sure you still had it on when you left the hall? The husband asked. Yes, I touched it in the hall, but if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. It must be in the cab. Yes, that's probably. Did you take his number? No. Okay, now what happened? See, as the Methelid screamed, her husband ran towards her and he asked what happened. In previous video we saw, he asked what happened. And she informed that I lost my necklace, and that was a thing of worry. And both of them were, they started searching here and there. And where they searched in the folds of the dress. She sewed new dress, naya dress silaya tha. And a lot of folds were there in the dress, so they started seeing that necklace in the folds. They did not find it. Then they saw it in the cloth. Now, what is meant by cloth? Cloth is an extra cloth which is sewed at the back of the dress. Generally, women's belonging to the royal families in Europe, they wear the dress, and in their dress, this clocks are there. You might have seen, or you definitely seen that in Superman. When Superman flies, so that clock is there at the back, that red color cloth, that is nothing but the clock. And some of the Indian kings used to wear along with their dress, which that clock goes along with the dress, that is clock. So they saw in the clock maybe they will get it, but they did not get it in her pockets. She might have sewed pockets in her dress, so they saw in the pocket also, but they did not find it. And in other places wherever they had the expectation that they will get that, but they did not get the jewel or the necklace. Then the husband asked, "Do you remember that necklace was in your neck in the party?" She said, "Yes, I saw that. Basically, women's house." She said, "Yes, I checked it in the hall and it was there in my neck only." Women's, have the habit that whenever they wear any jewels, so they touch it again and again. They check it basically, and so she said, "Yes, I checked there and it was there in my neck." That means it was not fallen down at the ministry, means in that party hall also. Then where it would be? Then the husband think that yes, there are chances that when they came out of the party and they were walking on the street or they were walking on the road to find a cab, at that time there was a possibility that at that time it may fall down somewhere. But husband said if it would have been fall down somewhere, we would have heard that. अगर कहीं गिर गया होता रास्ते में, because it was a early morning time, अगर गिरता था, so definitely we would have heard that. But we did not heard. That means it was not on the road also. Then all of a sudden he asked कि if it was not, it was in the hall, it was not on the road, then where it was? The third place was the cab. And both of them at a time they said, yes, that means the necklace is in cab. And they felt very happy for some moments. Why? Because if it was in the cab, means they can get it. And the wife, the Maithili, asked, did you take the number of the cab? The husband said, number? No, I did not take number. Now that is a big problem for them. And they stared at each other. Oh my God, now what will happen? And with that feeling, they were searching, they were continuing to search with the necklace. At last, Mr. Loisel put her clothes, and he wanted, put her clothes means again he wore his clothes and he were going somewhere. Now he was going somewhere. Where he was going? So he was going to find out on the streets, on the cab, and wherever, whatever places there means whatever possibilities were to find it. He wanted to go back and see. And I'm going back. He said over the whole route he walked and see if I can. Sorry, yes, if I can find it. So he went back and he walked on the streets, on the road, everywhere, wherever they went, and tried to find out, tried to search it, but he did not get it. उसको नहीं मिला finally पूरा सब घूमने के बाद भी. Now when all these things were going on, what about Maithili? What feelings Maithili is getting? So he left. Okay, she remained in her ball dress all night, her mind blank. Her husband returned at about 7 o'clock. It was he hadn't find it. So when husband left the house to search that necklace, during that time Maithili was sitting in front of the mirror, and that whole night she was wearing that new dress, the ball dress. Ball dress actually, it's a kind. These are the dresses which are wearing the ball parties. Ball parties are in which the couple basically dance with each other. We have seen in many of the movies. That is called as ball parties, and these are the ball dresses, especially wear or sewed for the particular parties, which have clocks and everything. Okay, so she was in that dress throughout the night, and she was thinking, "Oh my God, what happened? Now what to do? How I will return that to Mrs. Froister?" She was thinking about all this, and when everything was going, her husband came back. She was sitting like that only. She was stunned now, and at around 7 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, he went back to find the dress, to find the necklace, but he did not find. and at 7 o'clock he came back at home. And when Mathilde asked, "Did you find it?" he said, "No, I did not find it." Okay, so this is what, let us see what happened next. Okay, so now the video is getting bigger. We will continue in the next video. Okay, by that, have a nice day.